Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Divya and today is very special day for me because today is 25th October and it's my birthday. So I thought I should talk about those books which really impacted on my life. So in today's video I will talk about some special books which really improved a lot many things in my life, and I hope if you start reading these books, so it will also help you to improve a lot many things in your life. So without further ado, let's get started. So number one, my all-time favorite, Who Moved My Cheese by Spencer Johnson, and this is ultimate book which you must read. एंड बहुत ही छोटी बुक है, 1 घंटे में ख़त्म हो जाएगी. मैंने इसे ऑलमोस्ट 1 घंटे में ख़त्म कर दी थी. सो बेसिकली लाइक इफ़ यू आर अ काइंड ऑफ पर्सन जिसकी लाइफ में जब भी चेंजेस आते हैं आप एकदम से परेशान हो जाते हैं, आप उनको डील नहीं कर पाते हैं, देन आपको ये बुक ज़रूर पढ़नी चाहिए बिकॉज दिस बुक एक्चुअली विल टीच यू हाउ टू डील चेंजेस इन योर वर्क लाइफ एज वेल एज इन योर पर्सनल लाइफ. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आपकी एकदम से रिलेशनशिप ख़त्म हो गई, आपका ब्रेकअप हो गया, आपकी जॉब एकदम से चली गई, और लाइक आपका बिजनेस क्राइसिस हो गया. तो ये बुक एक्चुअली आपको बताती है कि कैसे उन सिचुएशंस को डील करें एंड कैसे मूव ऑन करें एंड न्यू अपॉर्चुनिटी को कैसे ढूंढें. सो बहुत ही ऑसम बुक है, काफ़ी छोटी भी है तो आपको ज़्यादा टाइम भी नहीं लगेगा पढ़ने पे, एंड आई वुड हाईली रिकमेंड यू, आपकी बुक ज़रूर पढ़नी चाहिए. And the next one is Attitude is Everything by Jeff Keller, and this is the ultimate book, and I can say that this is the best book for personal development. If you seriously want to focus on your personal development, you must read this book because the language is very simple and book is really awesome. मुझे अभी भी याद है, इन आई थिंक 2018 जनवरी 2018 में मैंने ये बुक खरीदी थी. आई वेंट टू क्रॉसवर्ड एंड आई वॉज लुकिंग फॉर सम बुक्स, एंड इसका कवर पेज मेरे को इतना अट्रैक्टिव लगा था. बेसिकली मैं कवर पेज देख के बुक्स नहीं लेती हूँ, मैं स्टार्टिंग के 1-2 पेज पढ़ती हूँ बुक के, एंड उसके बाद मेरे को लगता है ये बुक मेरे लिए रिलेवेंट है, देन तभी मैं उस बुक को खरीदती हूँ. सो बेसिकली जैसे ही मैंने इस बुक का कवर पेज देखा, मेरे को इसका टैगलाइन बहुत अच्छा लगा, चेंज योर एटीट्यूड चेंज योर लाइफ. एंड जैसे ही मैंने इसके 1-2 पेजेस पढ़े, आई रियलाइज वाओ दिस इज़ लाइक ऑसम बुक, मुझे ज़रूर खरीदनी चाहिए. एंड विदाउट वेस्टिंग अ सेकेंड आई जस्ट बॉट दिस बुक, एंड आई ऑल्सो रिमेंबर मैंने इसको 2 घंटे में आई थिंक ख़त्म कर दिया था. So basically, if you seriously want to focus on your personal development, then you must read this book because I highly believe your level of your success will rarely exceed the level of your personal development. It means success is something which you attract by the person you become. So basically, if you seriously want to achieve massive success in your life, you will have to focus on your personal development first. So I would highly recommend you must read this book if you seriously want to work on your personal development. My next all-time favorite is License to Live by Priya Kumar. Although I have read around 3 books of Priya Kumar, and this is my all-time favorite because in this book actually Priya Kumar talks about how to get rid of from all your past mistakes, how to forget your past mistakes, how to move on from your past, and how to live in the present moment so that you can focus on your bright future. So if you are a kind of person who always like feels lost, you have achieved everything in your life but still feels like there is something missing then in your life, then you must read this book because seriously this book will teach you a lot many things about life and actually will help you to find the true meaning of your life. And one more, my all-time favorite book, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Yes, बहुत ही फेमस बुक है, हर कोई इसके बारे में बोलता है, एंड मैं भी आपको ये बोलूँगी आपको ये बुक लाइफ में एक बार ज़रूर पढ़नी चाहिए. इफ़ यू सीरियसली लाइक इफ़ यू वांट टू अर्न ह्यूज मनी, इफ़ यू वांट टू बिकम अ रिच पर्सन, तो आपको पहले ये बुक ज़रूर पढ़नी चाहिए बिकॉज बहुत ही ऑसम एंड बहुत ही अच्छी बुक है ये. And the next one is The Miracle Morning by Hal Elrod. Of course, my all-time favorite book. And actually, this was the first book which I have read in my life. And after reading this book, I actually explored a lot many books related to business management and personal development. So if you are looking for a particular book on personal development, then I would highly recommend you must read this book because you have no idea. The author has shared about a morning ritual in this book, and that is highly powerful. And alone, like if you start following that particular morning ritual in your life, then every area of your life will improve for sure. So this is like highly recommendation from my side as well. You must read this book. And also मैंने इस बुक के ऊपर एक सेपरेट वीडियो भी बनाया जिसका लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दूंगी, आप चाहें तो वो वीडियो भी देख सकते हैं, so that you get some ideas about this book, what kind of ritual which you have to follow in the morning, and what kind of habits which you have to do in your morning routine. My next all-time favorite book is How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie, and awesome book. Like, you must read this book if you seriously want to improve your personal as well as business relationship with all the people out there, and if you seriously want to improve your communication skills as well, then you must read this book, because this book will actually help you to improve your communication skills and actually will tell you how to influence all the people out there, how to make an impression on the people. And the next one is Men Are From Mars and Women Are From Venus, and this book actually will help you to improve your love relationships, because this book will teach you how to understand the psychology of a man and how to understand the psychology of a female, so that both you can understand them, their psychology, and actually treat them accordingly, so that you can improve your relationship. The next one is Crush It by Gary Vaynerchuk. Especially in this COVID situation, if you seriously want to set up your online business, if you want to make money from social media platforms, then you must read this book, because this book actually will teach you how to turn your passion into some profitable business, how to use social media platforms for making your personal brand, how to become a YouTuber, and how to become an influencer, how to earn money from social media platforms. So I would highly recommend you must read this book. And also इस बुक के साथ एक और बुक है गैरी वेनरचक की, क्रशिंग इट. क्रश इट पहले आई थी एंड उसके बाद क्रशिंग इट आई थी. क्रशिंग इट में एक्चुअली ही टॉक्स अबाउट, एक्चुअली ही शेयर्ड सम मोस्ट सक्सेसफुल स्टोरीज, जिन्होंने स्पेशली जो फर्स्ट वाली बुक है क्रश इट पढ़ने के बाद अपनी पर्सनल ब्रांड बना के कैसे दे लाइक बिकम इन्फ्लुएंसर और दे स्टार्टेड देयर बिजनेस और दे बिकेम very successful business person, especially by setting up their online business. So he has shared all those stories in this book, and once you will read those stories and you will read this book, you will feel like that if they can do it, you can also do it, just because they just used their hobby, their passion, and they are earning huge money. So you can also do that. The next one is, and this is best for time management. If you are looking any special book for time management, and if you are a kind of person who is not able to manage your time well, and if you have some issues to manage your time well, then I would highly recommend you must read this book, because this book alone can teach you lot many tips and tricks which will help you to improve your time management skills, and it will actually help you to, it will actually teach you how to manage your time well and become a very productive person. I would say आपको टाइम मैनेजमेंट के लिए किसी और बुक को पढ़ने की ज़रूरत है नहीं. दिस इज़ द अलोन बुक विच कैन हेल्प यू टू इम्प्रूव योर टाइम मैनेजमेंट स्किल्स. सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया तो लाइक करना मत भूलना, एंड अगर आपने अभी तक मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो उसको भी कर देना, बेल आइकन पर प्रेस करना मत भूलना, सो दैट जब भी मैं फ्यूचर में नया वीडियो अपलोड करूँ आपके पास नोटिफिकेशन आ जाए. मिलते नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. टिल देन स्टे हैप्पी, स्टे हेल्दी, टेक केयर, बाय बाय.